Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off auto rotate on Android. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The auto rotate screen feature on Android allows your device screen to automatically rotate between portrait and landscape mode when you change the orientation of your device. This can be helpful for viewing videos, playing games, and reading books. So, what if you want to turn off this feature? Maybe for some reason you only want to make your video just on portrait. As you can see on my screen is active for the screen rotation. If you want to turn off, you can just open your notification bar like this, and you'll find there is an option like screen rotation. You can just tap on that. So your screen rotation is locked, is turned off. So when you rotate your phone screen like to landscape, your phone screen will be still on portrait. It's a simple right, so that is how to turn off screen rotation on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.